Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeff is back with another video. All right, y'all. Y'all probably say, what in the world is heart attack dip? Old school heart attack dip. Let me give y'all a little synopsis and history of this. I've been doing this dip for, I don't know why I never shared it. My friend said, why you never shared the heart attack dip? I know 20 years. Especially in the summertime, I'll take it to, you like little, maybe 4th of July and little cookouts or whatever. It ain't supposed to be, you know, all this butter and all this stuff in it. It really ain't supposed to be outside. They don't last long enough to even get room temperature. Every party I have, I put this together. This is something I created, matter of fact, when I used to live in apartments. And we used to do, people come over, watch football or whatever. And this is stuff I had in my refrigerator. And I just threw it together. And I said, man, my friend said, what is in it? I tell them what's in it. They said, man, that stuff give you a heart attack. And it probably will, because there's nothing healthy about it. That's why I call it the heart attack dip. Let me tell you what's in it. I'm going to come back and put it together. Got a stick of butter, 8 ounces of cream cheese, some sour cream, mayonnaise, bacon, cheese. And I put a little ranch in there, take it over the top of the ranch dip seasoning. And I garnish it with some green onions go in, and I put a little on the top with the bacon. I'm telling y'all, I eat it with Ritz crackers. This stuff is amazing, y'all. I'm telling you, it's easy to put together. Only thing I like to let it set up in the refrigerator for about an hour, let it firm back up, you know, let the cream cheese and butter kind of firm back up. After that, it's on. You can eat it right after you make it, but it's nothing like when it firm up and it can sit on your. You can eat it with crackers, eat it with potato chips, corn chips, whatever you want. So, yeah, old school heart attack dip. So anyway, y'all, I'm gonna step off, y'all, get everything all configured together, and we're gonna put this thing together so easy, so simple. I'm telling you, if you get a bowl of this and you sit down with some crackers or some chips or some corn chips or Fritos in front of the TV, you eat a whole bowl of this, I'm telling you. So, eat at your own risk, y'all like to say. But anyway, y'all, we'll be right back here, and I'm gonna get everything set up. We're gonna put this old school heart attack dip together. Be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Okay, y'all, let's get these things started. Like I told y'all, this is so easy, so simple here. And all I'm gonna do, get my mixer here, the butter and cream cheese. We're gonna cream together here. You already know it's gonna be good. It's got butter and cream cheese in it. I'm telling y'all. Now this thing, you can add or subtract anything you want to it. I'm gonna show you how I do it. I do mine. Butter and sugar together. Butter and cream cheese. Okay, now I'm not gonna need the mixer anymore after this, y'all. The reason I use a mixer, I just really like to you can do it by hand, creaming the butter and the cream cheese. I just like to do it by the mixer, make sure it's combined. Okay, next we're gonna add the sour cream to this. Put the mayonnaise in here. You can use whatever mayonnaise you want to use. Some people like Duke's. Some people like Hellmann's. You want Miracle Whip. Put Miracle Whip in there. It'll work. I've used Miracle Whip in it before. I didn't have no Hellmann's. Shoot. Use what you got, y'all. Okay, we're going to get that all mixed really, really good, y'all. Mix that up really good. Make sure it's all creamed up in there. I say, y'all, it's no, you don't have to be perfect. I like kind of push it down, make sure everything's kind of smooth, y'all. Use the back of my spatula. See how it's coming smooth? I'm just using the back of my spatula Kind of pushing it down there. Okay. All right, now, next thing I'm gonna put in here, I'm gonna put my cheese in here. Put all that cheese in there. That's like 2 cups, y'all. Get that mixed in there. That all mixed up. Oh, this gonna be good, huh? Okay, next I'm gonna put my ranch dip in here. Get that all mixed up. Oh yeah. Alrighty. Now last thing I'm gonna do is put my bacon. I'm gonna save a little bacon. I like to save a little bacon for the garnish on top. Green onions also. I'll save a little green onion for on the top, so it can kind of look pretty for garnish. Put all that in there. That's it, y'all. I'm gonna taste it here. No, I ain't gotta put no salt and pepper. I just like tasting it. I just like tasting it, y'all. Okay. I'm telling y'all. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna step off here, get my little serving bowl. I'm gonna show you how I put it in the refrigerator and serve. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Okay, I got my little serving bowl here. I mean, presentation bowl. When I do, I put it in here like this. Just make sure I get all this out of here, y'all. Every little bit counts with this stuff. All right, put it in your bowl there. Now let's go around with my bacon. The bacon on top there. And the green onions. Let's just make it look pretty. And you sprinkle a little cheese on it if you want. And that's it. I'm gonna let this sit in the refrigerator, y'all, for 1 hour. You can do longer than that for 1 hour. And when we come back, we're gonna try it out. I already know it's good, but I gotta prove it to y'all, because y'all be doubting me. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. All right, y'all, let me try this here. Been in the refrigerator a couple of hours. What I do, y'all, I take a little of this after it's set up, spread it on the Ritz cracker. Look at this, y'all. A bit more. Like I told y'all, butter, sour cream, mayonnaise, cheese, ranch dip, bacon, onion. Ain't go wrong, y'all. I'm telling you. Another bite. Okay, y'all. Try this at a party. I was just sitting around eating, watching TV. Sitting around eating TV. Sitting around watching TV. It's the dip right here, y'all. It's what I call my heart attack dip. I wanted to share that with y'all. I ain't know how the name to give it. All that butter and cream and stuff in it. It's not for the faint of heart. So, anyway, y'all, let me throw this video out. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2022, helping others with a purpose. Old School Soul Food. Till next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.